Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Natural Language Processing, NLP, Advanced Techniques, Sentiment Analysis and Text Summarization. Imagine a robot reading movie reviews. Sentiment analysis is like teaching that robot to understand if a review is positive. Loved it, single quote, negative, terrible, single quote, or neutral, it was okay. As developers, we'll use code to achieve this. It's all about identifying the emotional tone behind words. Think of words as building blocks. We use algorithms, like a recipe, to score the positivity or negativity of each word. Then, we add up the scores to get the overall sentiment of a sentence or paragraph. Developers create these algorithms using libraries and pre-trained models to simplify the process. Let's see a basic Python example using a pre-built library. We'll feed in text, and the library will tell us the sentiment. This shows how easy it is to incorporate this powerful AI technique into your applications as a developer. Code snippet will be displayed. Imagine you have a long news article. Text summarization is like asking a robot to write a short summary, capturing the main points. As developers, we'll learn how to use AI to generate concise summaries automatically. There are different ways to summarize text. Extractive summarization is like picking out the most important sentences. Abstractive summarization is like rewriting the text in a shorter, more concise way. Developers choose the best technique depending on the application. We'll use another Python library to create a simple text summarizer. We'll feed in a long paragraph and the AI will give us a short summary. Code snippet will be displayed. This illustrates how AI is accessible to developers. Sentiment analysis helps businesses understand customer feedback, and text summarization helps create news digests or chatbots that provide quick answers. As developers, you can build many cool applications leveraging these techniques. This is just the beginning. Explore more advanced techniques like named entity recognition and topic modeling. The world of NLP is vast and exciting for developers eager to explore AI's potential. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.